Setting the stage for success. Running successful bid kickoff meetings. The bid kickoff meeting is a pivotal event that sets the tone, direction, and momentum for the entire bid effort. A well-executed meeting lays the foundation for a collaborative and efficient bid process, while a poorly planned one can lead to confusion and a diminished probability of success. It's the first formal gathering of the bid team and a critical opportunity to align everyone and establish clear expectations. Why the kickoff is crucial. A well-executed kickoff meeting is a pivotal event that sets the tone, direction, and momentum for the entire bid effort. Clarity and alignment. Team members leave with a clear understanding of the bid objectives, their roles, and the overall strategy. Imagine a large technology bid where the sales team wants to promise a custom solution while the technical team is only prepared to deliver a slightly modified, off-the-shelf product. A kickoff meeting ensures these teams align on a single, clear strategy and understand the risks involved. Enthusiasm and engagement. The meeting generates enthusiasm and a sense of shared commitment to success. A great example is a project where the finance lead, the technical lead, and the sales lead, all with different priorities, meet for the first time. A successful kickoff allows them to understand each other's perspectives and builds the rapport needed to collaborate under pressure. Effective communication. It sets the stage for ongoing collaboration throughout the bid process. A kickoff meeting establishes clear communication protocols. Instead of sending a critical decision-making email to a large group with a vague subject line, the team agrees to use a shared collaboration platform for urgent issues and to schedule weekly check-ins. This prevents confusion and ensures smooth information flow. Actionable outcomes. The meeting results in clear action items, assigned responsibilities, and defined next steps. At the end of the meeting, every team member has a clear list of assigned tasks, a deadline, and who they are responsible to. For instance, the marketing manager might be assigned the task of drafting the executive summary by Friday, with the bid manager as the point of contact for any questions. Pre-meeting preparation. The key to a smooth start. Success starts before the meeting even begins. Careful planning is essential for a high-impact kickoff. Defining objectives. Before the meeting, the bid manager must ask, "What do I want to achieve?" For a small bid, the objective might be simple. Align on the go, no-go decision, and assign 2 key tasks. For a large, complex bid, the objective might be more strategic. Secure executive buy-in on our win themes and finalize the scope for a 6-week project. Defining this objective is the first step to ensuring the meeting is productive. Developing a detailed agenda. Once the objective is defined, the bid manager creates a clear, timed agenda. A good example of an agenda item is not just discuss RFP, but review key RFP sections and mandatory requirements, 20 minutes. This level of detail keeps the conversation focused and prevents the meeting from becoming a rambling, unproductive discussion. Gathering necessary materials. It's crucial to prepare all relevant documents in advance. For a large bid, this includes the full RFP, a high-level summary of the bid strategy, and a list of key questions. By preparing these materials, you can ensure that the team has everything they need to make informed decisions and stay on track. This also helps to avoid last-minute scrambling for information. Inviting key participants. The right people must be in the room. This includes the bid manager, the proposal manager, key subject matter experts, and the sales lead. For a high-stakes bid, inviting the executive sponsor is also crucial to ensure top-level alignment and to demonstrate the bid's importance to the wider team. Missing a key stakeholder can lead to a critical piece of information being missed. Distributing pre-meeting information. A successful kickoff isn't about reading the RFP out loud for 2 hours. Instead, the bid manager distributes the RFP and a high-level summary of win themes at least 48 hours in advance. This allows the team to come prepared with questions and ideas, making the meeting itself a collaborative discussion, not a lecture. It's a key way to show respect for everyone's time and to ensure the meeting is productive. Core kickoff agenda items. A high-impact agenda should include welcome and introductions, 5 to 10 minutes. Opportunity overview, 15 to 20 minutes. Provide a concise overview of the bid and its strategic importance. RFP review and analysis, 20 to 30 minutes. Highlight key sections like instructions, scope of work, and evaluation criteria. Bid strategy and win themes, 20 to 30 minutes. Present the proposed bid strategy and explain the unique value proposition. Team roles and responsibilities, 20 to 30 minutes. Clearly define roles, assign specific tasks, and ensure everyone understands their contribution. Q&A and discussion 10 to 15 minutes. Action items and next steps 10 to 15 minutes. Summarize key decisions, assign responsibilities, and define clear next steps. Post-meeting follow-up. The work isn't over when the meeting ends. Distribute meeting minutes. Send out meeting minutes to all participants within 24 hours. Summarize key decisions and action items. Clearly outline the key decisions and assigned action items. Track action items. Monitor the progress of action items and ensure they are completed on time. Provide ongoing support. Offer ongoing support and guidance to team members as needed. Key takeaways. The spark that ignites success. The bid kickoff meeting is the spark that ignites the success of a bid effort. It is a crucial opportunity to set the stage for a high-performing team, establish clear expectations, and foster a shared commitment to success. By utilizing a structured framework, organizations can ensure their kickoff meetings are effective, engaging, and contribute significantly to their overall bidding success. Adjective.